lion stole my lunch again! He took my carrots too! This is a disaster! We have to get it back! At this rate, we'll all starve on a diet!
We can't tolerate this lion anymore!
Someone has to stop him!
Yeah, but who's brave enough?
Wait, I know someone!
Who is?
The cat! Cat! Wait, me? Yes, you are the strongest!
Finally, my moment!
Don't worry, I will defeat the lion. We believe in you. Here, take this weapon. Easy, I got this. Okay, maybe not.
All right, plan B. What's plan B? Let me figure that out first.
Why is it so quiet here? Everyone is hiding. Not scared. I fear nothing. Oh! I fear nothing. Oh!
Who dares enter my territory?
I am a royal messenger.
Messenger or snack?
I came here to warn you.
Oh, really? That's adorable.
Don't underestimate.
You? Stop me?
Yes, I'm highly trained.
Where? On the internet?
Watch this move.
I'm watching.
That was...
That's your attack?
That was just a warm-up. Sure it was, huh?
Now, my ultimate roar! That's cute!
That was ultrasonic power.
My ears feel nothing.
All right, enough jokes.
Oh, now what?
Final plan.
What is that?
Look closely.
What am I seeing?
Who is that terrifying beast?
That is your true self.
I look that scary? You've become a monster.
No, that can't be.
Change. Change or face yourself. Change or face yourself. Behave or else.
Or else what? I'll meow again.
I'll meow again.
No! Not that sound!
Then behave.
Okay, okay! I won't bother anyone anymore.
Promise?
Double promise. Good decision. You are truly powerful. I know.
What happened? Mission complete.
No way!
You did it! Of course.
Unbelievable!
You are our leader now!
Thank you!
Together, we will triumph! Free fish for everyone!
Best day ever! I've changed, but that sound, still scary.
MEOW!